Homemade crackers. This is a cheesy crackers. We have 300 grams of cheddar cheese, 110 grams of butter. Just mix this. So we add flour, 2.5 cups, with 2 teaspoons of salt. Then add half first. Add little by little. I will just mix by hand. Add cold water. Chill for 1 hour. This is already ready to roll. Just cut the excess dough to form a square so that it is easy for you to cut evenly. Just cut the dough according to the sizes you want for your crackers. Just put a dot in the middle. This is it. All of this here. Yeah. Brush with olive oil. And put the salt flakes on the top of each dough. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees and bake for 15 to 18 minutes. And this is it. Just try this one. This is so good. Thank you for watching.